Today we are gonna make some amazing coffee cocktails.
Hi guys, my name is Isis. All my love, passion and energy from Miami to the world.
Today we are going to make some amazing coffee cocktails. I'll show you 3 of them and they all are gonna be very different but really amazing. One of them I already did in 3 variations a couple months ago, and you can check the link here. I was doing the most famous world cocktail, espresso martini. And today I'm going to show you some other coffee cocktails. So less bullshit, more coffee. Let's go to the first one. First coffee cocktail is called MarTIKI. MarTIKI because it's espresso martini and tiki cocktail mix. Let's say it's tiki style espresso martini. This cocktail was created by my friend Martin Hudak, and I have to admit I have never tried this cocktail, Martin, yet. We had a very interesting podcast with Martin. He is one of the best bartenders in the world, and you can check this podcast here. It's very inspirational and very worth to hear everybody who wants to achieve a lot in this industry or technically anywhere else, because all the wisdom you can use in any sphere of life. So I asked Martin to send me his best coffee recipes, and he sent me a couple. So the first one that he's the most proud of is tiki style espresso martini, MarTIKI. And I'll show you how to make this cocktail, and I'll taste this cocktail in the first time just in this video. So stick to the end and you'll see how I'll taste this cocktail. For the cocktail we will need martini style glass. I'm using coupe. You can use some other kind of martini style glass. And of course, you know, first thing we have to chill the glass. And now we're gonna shake our cocktail in the shaker. The first ingredient is of course espresso coffee. If you don't have espresso machine at home, just run to a local coffee shop here around where you live and get some espresso. 1 shot of espresso. Second ingredient is of course rum, because if you are making tiki cocktail, so you have to use rum. At least one of the ingredients should have to be rum, and it's 40 milliliters. So in ounces it would be like 1 ounce and 1/3 of an ounce. Another ingredient is coffee liqueur. Martin is using his Mr. Black, but I didn't have a chance to get Mr. Black, so I'm using Halua, and it's 2/3 of an ounce. One more ingredient is pineapple juice. If you can get fresh pineapple juice, it's the best. But if you can't, just get some good quality pineapple juice in the shop and use it in your cocktails. So it's 1 ounce. And the last ingredient is orgeat. Orgeat is very popular in tiki cocktails. I made this orgeat myself, and if you want to make it yourself as well, so just check out this link. You will see everything you need to know how to make orgeat. And 15 milliliters, so it's half an ounce. Now we need a lot of ice. Let's do it magic way. And love, passion, energy, and a good shake. Woo! More love. We have a beautiful foam. Of course, when you make a coffee cocktail, you will always will get a foam, and also pineapple juice makes even more foam. And let's drain this beauty to the glass. Look, looks very beautiful, foamy, very nice cocktail. And for garnishing, I'm going to do it with a fresh almond. Sorry Martin for giving it my own twist on garnish. I'm not changing the cocktail. Very nice, very beautiful. And now tasting time. For the first time, MarTIKI. Smells nice rum. I smell rum, so it's sticky already. Wow. Very nice. Very, very beautiful taste. Wow. It's even better than the original espresso martini. So I guess now this espresso martini drink is going to be my favorite. Thank you, Martin. Cheers, guys. Second, our coffee cocktail is a twist on gin tonic. Everything is very simple, and if you want to see how to make an amazing gin tonic and 3 variations of it, just check out this link. And today we are going to make a twist with coffee, and we are going to serve everything in highball glass. So let's begin. First ingredient is gin. I'm using only 15 milliliters or only half an ounce of it. Second ingredient is coffee liqueur, and by the way, this recipe I also borrowed from Martin Hudak, so I'm following his recipe exactly. Just he's using his Mr. Black coffee liqueur, but as I told, I wasn't able to get it here. 1 ounce. Now we are adding full glass of ice and finishing everything with a good tonic. I'm giving it a bit stir, and our cocktail is ready. Martin calls this cocktail Turbo Gin Tonic. So cheers, guys. Turbo Gin Tonic. Third coffee cocktail today is very popular cocktail or drink in Latin world, mostly in Mexico. It's Carajillo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but I tried very much. Carajillo. Alright, this is very simple. I read about this cocktail or this drink, and it seems that it's very popular in all Latin America, and they all do it a bit different. But the thing is, it's spirit and coffee. So today I'll show you mostly Mexican version of it, as I found out that it's mostly Mexican version by using liqueur 43 as a spirit. And I'm going to serve everything in the shot glass. So today we are making a shot. It's very simple. It's just 2 ingredients. It's coffee and liqueur 43. This is very nice, vanilla flavored, a little bit citrus liqueur. Very good taste, very good smell, and everything is very simple. We are pouring 1/3 of a shot of this liqueur, and we are layering coffee on top. I got espresso from local coffee shop. I'm going to layer it with a spoon so it definitely won't mix this. Here we go. Look, it looks very nice. 2 layers, yellow and dark, and it definitely tastes very nice. I tasted these shots before and it's really amazing. So guys, I showed you today 3 amazing coffee cocktails. Try them at home, and if you know any more coffee cocktails, and I would be more interested into coffee cocktails that contains real espresso coffee, not just coffee liqueur, so please share in the comments below. I would be more than happy to try it. And today I'm saying you cheers. Thank you guys for watching this video. It was really fun and really energetic to make this video, and today we put even more energy into our cocktails. And please let me know in the comments below which cocktail would you like the best, MarTIKI, Turbo Tonic or Carajillo. I would really love to know. And thank you very much once more. Show me some love, please support me and subscribe my channel, like this video and share with your friends. It really helps the algorithm to show this video to more people, and the more people see it, the more inspiration I get to create even more interesting content and cocktails and other bar or something experiences that I have in mind for you. So thank you 3rd time, and I'll see you in next video.